Rwanda, a small country in East Africa, is often called the land of 1,000 hills. The name is apartment. Rolling hills and mountains dominate the landscape. Lush green valleys lie between the steep slopes. Sparkling lakes dot the countryside. Rwanda is a geographically diverse and beautiful country. Rwanda is bordered by 4 countries. To the north lies Uganda. The Democratic Republic of Congo is to the west. Burundi is to the south. Tanzania lies to the east. Each of these countries has influenced Rwanda's history and culture. However, Rwanda has a unique identity. It is known for its resilience and its commitment to progress. Rwanda is a landlocked country. This means it has no coastline. However, it does have several large lakes. These lakes are important sources of water for the people of Rwanda. They are also home to a variety of fish and other wildlife. The largest lake in Rwanda is Lake Kivu. It is shared with the Democratic Republic of Congo. Lake Kivu is a beautiful place to visit. It offers stunning views and opportunities for swimming, boating and fishing. Rwanda is a country with a rich natural heritage. It is home to a wide variety of plants and animals. Many of these species are found nowhere else on Earth. Rwanda's forests are particularly important. They protect the country's biodiversity. They also provide a home for some of the world's most endangered animals. One of Rwanda's most famous attractions is Volcanoes National Park. This park is home to mountain gorillas. These gentle giants are a critically endangered species. Seeing them in their natural habitat is an unforgettable experience. Visitors to Volcanoes National Park can go gorilla trekking. This involves hiking through the forest in search of gorillas. It is a challenging but rewarding experience. Another popular destination is Nyungwe National Park. This park is a birder's paradise. It is home to over 300 species of birds. Nyungwe is also home to chimpanzees, monkeys, and other primates. Visitors can go on guided walks through the forest. They can also go canopy walking. This involves walking across a suspension bridge high above the forest floor. Kigali is the capital of Rwanda. It is a vibrant and growing city. Kigali is often called the heart of Africa. It is a center for business, culture and tourism. The city is located in the center of the country. It is built on several hills. This gives it a unique and beautiful setting. Kigali is a very clean city. The streets are swept every day. There are also many green spaces. This makes Kigali a pleasant place to live and work. The people of Kigali are known for their hospitality. They are warm and welcoming to visitors. They are always willing to help. Kigali is a rapidly developing city. It is becoming a hub for technology and innovation. Several international companies have offices in Kigali. The city is also home to a growing number of startups. Kigali is a young and dynamic city. It has a lot to offer visitors and residents alike. Rwanda has a tragic past. The genocide had a devastating impact on Rwanda. It destroyed the country's economy and social fabric. However, Rwanda has made remarkable progress in the years since the genocide. The country has undergone a process of reconciliation and rebuilding. Today, Rwanda is a model of peace and development. This transformation is due in large part to the leadership of President Paul Kagame. President Kagame has been in power since 2000. He is a controversial figure. However, he is also widely respected for his role in Rwanda's recovery. President Kagame has focused on promoting unity and reconciliation. He has also implemented policies to boost the economy and reduce poverty. Rwanda is now one of the fastest-growing economies in Africa. The country has also made significant progress in areas such as education, healthcare, and gender equality. Rwanda is a country that has overcome adversity. It is a beacon of hope for the future.